In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website building experience. Whether you're a beginner looking to launch your site or a seasoned creator fine-tuning your designs, understanding these tools is essential for creating a seamless, professional-looking website. Let's kick things off by heading over to wix.com. When you're on their homepage, locate and click Sign In at the top right corner if you're not already logged in. After logging into your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is your home base, a centralized place where you can manage all your website projects. For this session, we are focusing on one specific site. Once you've selected the appropriate site, look for the Design Site button. This feature is your gateway into a creative world where you can edit and customize the visual aspects of your website. Clicking on it opens the editor where all the magic happens. Inside the Wix editor, you'll find an array of design options. Start by clicking on Add Elements. This will bring up a sidebar showcasing different features you can incorporate into your site, from text boxes to images, buttons, and more. You can enhance engagement by adding interactive elements that align with your design vision. Next, click on Add Section. Sections are key for organizing the layout of your website. They allow you to divide information into manageable, aesthetically pleasing chunks. This helps your visitors navigate with ease, absorbing content without feeling overwhelmed. Now, directing your attention to the top left of the editor, find the Pages menu. This menu lets you manage all pages on your site, allowing you to rearrange, rename, or even create new pages. This tool is crucial for structuring your site's architecture effectively. From there, click on Site menu. While it might sound similar to the Pages menu, the Site menu is about the navigation that your visitors will actually see and use. Properly organizing your site menu ensures a user-friendly experience, guiding visitors smoothly through your site. Then focus on the site theme. This is where you can adjust the overall aesthetic of your site, such as fonts and color schemes. By clicking on Site Theme, you can ensure that your site looks cohesive and reflects your brand identity. Moving on to the app market, this is where you extend Wix's capabilities by integrating apps that offer additional functionalities like booking systems, online forums, or e-commerce solutions. Choosing the right apps can greatly enhance both the functionality and user experience of your site. Don't forget to click on My Business. This section is specifically designed for businesses looking to manage online activities such as appointments, orders, and client interactions directly through Wix. Lastly, explore the Media section. This is your media management hub where you upload, organize, and utilize images and videos crucial for engaging visitors. Be sure to optimize these elements to keep your site visually appealing and dynamic. By mastering these features in Wix, you'll be well equipped to create and manage a polished professional website that aligns with your goals. Thank you for watching and happy creating.